Hey, Florian here from DesigningIT, where we build successful websites for hoteliers like you. Before I dive into this short video here, where I explain exactly how we do this by giving you my three core principles for a successful website, I want to double click on what success means in this context. So, from the angle of a business owner, a website at the end of the day, it's just a communication channel. And if I invest time and resources into this channel, I would expect it to actually give me a return on this investment. I would expect the website to have a positive impact on the marketing goals, the business goals that I've set in the beginning of the year. I would want this to be an important channel for growth and profit. So in my book, if a website or a communication channel doesn't do that for me, it's a waste of money. In more practical terms, a successful site needs to be able to attract the right kind of traffic, convert this traffic into leads, or better yet, direct bookings. At a minimum, we want to remarket to those who didn't convert initially to give this hard-earned traffic a second opportunity. Additionally, we want to make sure that the user gets their questions and their needs answered with this website. We even want to make sure we appeal to the more emotional level. These are just a few attributes of what I would call a successful website. And that's the reason why we exist and what all our products, services, and processes are built around. A winning website, one that doesn't waste time and money, but instead becomes an important component in your marketing mix and one that's able to address the needs of your user. So why is it that most websites fail and end up being a waste of resources? And by the way, this is true for a Wix or a Squarespace type website you can get for $16 a month. It's true for the website that comes with your PMS, the template, the builder based ones. And it's often also true for the custom design agency website that costs tens of thousands. So how is this possible? Why is it so hard to be successful online? The answer is pretty simple, I found, and it might surprise you. So I've been in the web design and marketing field for over 2 decades now, and I've worked with hundreds of projects and clients from small, tiny local websites to big global enterprises. I've seen projects succeed and fail over the years, and eventually figured out the key to a successful website. So the secret to a successful website is knowing that it's not about the website. I repeat, the key is it's not about the website. And this might be a bold statement coming from a web design agency owner, but hear me out. So it's not about the website itself. Instead, you need various additional marketing fundamentals inside a system and the process in which these components work together seamlessly. Note here for a moment, I said marketing fundamentals and not tactics. Right? Tactics like TikTok ads and commenting on Instagram and posting here and doing this, they come into play later. But in order to set up a successful program, we need to look at the fundamentals. Fundamentals like positioning, segmentation, target audience, communications, and so forth. Only when all these fundamental marketing pieces, including your website in the center, fit together perfectly can you get results from it. This is more true now than ever before because things are getting faster, more competitive, more difficult, more expensive by the second. Let's take AI. They make you believe that everything is getting easier all of a sudden with AI, and there is some truth to it, but instead, in addition, AI will make everything very crowded, very competitive, and very fast-paced. The people who will embrace it and know how to use it will win. This is the reason why we incorporate AI in several steps in our process. It is the way forward. So principle number one is that you need to work through a list of fundamental marketing pieces inside of a clear process that includes your website. Okay. My second fundamental principle is this system, this process for creating a website and this marketing program needs to be specifically designed for your industry. It needs to be built around solving your industry's specific demands, specific pain points. And here's why that's important. I've been a generalist web design studio for many years, which, don't get me wrong, that's a fast-paced, fun, diverse, and creative and challenging field. However, delivering value for the client, getting results for the client, it takes a long time sometimes, and it costs way more and sometimes even fails. That's the truth. This experience as a generalist for years has helped me figure out my third principle, which is that marketing and a website need to be able to deliver an actual result and become a positive contributor towards your goals. These three principles together form my USP. And my unique selling point is that we have created a web design process that works through and combines these 15 fundamental marketing building blocks, the website being one of them. These 15 components seamlessly work together and build on each other. It's like having 15 gears all interlocking and pulling and working together to create one strong 1,000 horsepower marketing machine. In addition, we have created this specifically for the hotel niche in order to be able to create value fast, to be efficient, and basically guarantee results because we know what works and what doesn't. And lastly, the overarching goal behind this program is to create a successful website, a successful marketing program, one that actually delivers tangible results for you as a business and at the same time delivers value to the end user. In summary, our system includes 15 marketing components grouped into 5 major phases, with the website in the center, all working together in one cohesive process, created specifically for the hotel industry and made to deliver results. And we call it the Strategy First Growth Website System. The website is just one piece of the puzzle, one item out of the 15 that sits in the center of the system. This also gives you the answer why so many other websites are not successful. And it doesn't matter whether that's a Wix site, a free template, a $50,000 custom design studio website. If these sites are missing some or all or most of these 15 components, they don't have a chance to succeed. Not anymore, not in today's crowded and competitive marketplace. So if this resonates with you, let's jump on a call and look through our process and our 15 marketing fundamentals and see how we could make them work for your hotel.